What's up guys, this is Akramatikala here, and there's the bad news because I am done with being a member and my member got expired so badly that I already have being a member is fun, being a non-member is also fun but not really fun. I've got so many stuff as non-member in Dan items, but in clothings clothings I have views because this member day I buy so many member stuff and I cannot count the non-member stuff. See, very little. And today is my Dan decorating. I buy a new Dan and the price is 16 now. I already buy I don't know, I forgot the gems, but it remains 16. So I'm going to make a statue. It's links and ovals, and I will make more plushies. So bad I cannot use the ice presents. So I'm going to use this. All of them are green. That's not that's really nature, I think. I want to make a front statue. How to make a front statue? And there's links in here. I'm gonna put it right here. And the other one. Oh, just like that. It never mind. So that's all for the font. And I will use some cave eyes, or you can say it's ice cave, to make it more like a winter season. Or I want to make Zaya's ice statue. Wow, so big. It's almost part of the den. I'll bring the ice back. I'll have some rug, and this is my sleeping bed, I think. Ornaments. A couch, an ice couch. Oh, that's very nice. A pond. I have cookie table and marshmallow chair. The marshmallow chair doesn't look really like a chair, just like a biscuit, and there's a half of a birthday cake. Paw ornament, jingle bells. I want to put it's half Christmas and half funny. Where do I put the other one? Oh, maybe I should put both of them in here, and the couch a little bit here. Oh, that's cute. Oh, when the way is, oh yeah, okay. I will use some non-member welcome mattress, and oh no, I want this huge archway, because it's so huge. Where I'm going to put it? Oh, maybe right here. Okay. So the last thing is I want to add some plushies to make it more beautiful. Is this a frozen castle? Whee. I have really bad. I don't have much gems to buy something. In here there are so many non-members, but I could not buy one because of my gems. Trash can. Oh yeah, I forgot some like add this. There is all from member except for one blue sky. Alright, I have to charge it. Okay, so while waiting, I'm going to play my favorite. Okay, my favorite games in Ammo Jam is Best Dressed, Calling Benton, Stumble Trivia. I love what game? Yeah, a Spot On, Wind Rider, Mira Says, and Soupy Eagle, and oh, this one, Splash and Dash. I'm going to play Soupy Eagle. Soupy Eagle is almost the same like Flappy Birds, just have to tap tap, but the difference is this is an eagle. Oh no! My high score is 13.